Coming up next, you'll have an opportunity to meet a pediatric nurse practitioner who has dedicated a portion of her life to being involved in helping to analyze criminal cases. She has particular expertise in child abuse and child neglect. We focused our podcast on that topic, and I'd like you, Katie, to tell our listener a little bit about what we covered in your podcast.
Absolutely. We went over the risk factors for child abuse, talking about the definition of child abuse, the different subsets of that, and child neglect, including Munchausen by proxy. Talked about the common injuries, fractures that you'd see, head injuries, and medical etiologies or cultural practices that would be an explanation for injuries that would be suspicious for abuse. We talked about medical record red flags, things to look for, torn frenulums, and shaken baby.
There are a lot of things that legal nurse consultants can do to help in these types of cases. It requires analytical skills, a knowledge of anatomy, growth and development, normal milestones. This is an area where LNCs can shine in helping attorneys handling these cases. And Katie's podcast gives you a head start on some of the more common types of abuse and explains your role and some of the critical things that we can do to help attorneys with our understanding that goes beyond theirs. Be sure to come back to Legal Nurse Podcast or click on down to listen to the next episode of Legal Nurse Podcast with Katie Holmes. I'll see you there.